Next is working with normally distributed variable. This is what I told you about standardizing just now. Okay, now we are using the standardized things. Okay, start with the easiest one first. Let x be okay. How do we know this is normally distributed? First of all, this question is easy because already said here. Normally distributed, guys. Okay, mean is 26, standard deviation is 5. So we want to find the area to the left of 20. So to the left means x less than 20. Okay, it's less than, greater than, and so forth. So to the left of 20 will be less than 20. This is the question, that's why we start with x. So we want to standardize normally distributed. So we want to standardize. When we standardize, we use z. Alright, so z less than 20 minus mean divided by standard deviation. Okay, formula z equals to x minus mu over standard deviation. Okay, you will have 20 minus 26 over 5. So we have negative 1.2. So p z less than negative 1.2. This one already draw, so I no need to draw. So here we want to find tail, tail. So we want to find tail. How to find the tail? So finding tail is 1 minus pz less than 1.2. Alright, so 1.2, 0.8849. So 0.1151 total. Yes, 1151. Okay. Why we take 1 minus? Because it is at the tail. Table will give you the big area. Okay. Okay, next, given the mean 100, standard deviation 16, determine the percentage between 115 and 140. How do we get this? Okay, calculate first. Let's calculate. Oh, tak ada, dia jawapan je. Okay, let's calculate. How do we write between? So between x is in the middle, small number will be on the left, big number will be on the right. So big number must be greater than the small number. Okay, then x is question, right? So we want to standardize. 115 minus mean 100 divided standard deviation 16. So z 140 minus mean divide standard deviation. Calculate. 16. So here 0.994. Z 140. 2.5. Okay, that's how I get 0.94 and 2.5. Middle is 0, right? So we want to find the area, the small area at the tail. Oh no, how to find this? Okay, it's the same as what we did just now. Okay, so you look at here. We want to find this area to this area. So the bigger area is 2.5, right? So if you take 2.5, we take everything. Okay, but we want to stop at 0.94. So 2.5 is everything, and then minus 0.94. So that we get only this part. Alright, so 2.5. Sorry, wrong notation. cannot write like this. Okay, z less than 2.5. Here 2.5 kan, so minus z less than 0.94. Okay, so 2.5 0.99379 minus 94 8264. Ya Allah, apa itu? 8264. So 379 0.16739. Okay. This is how to find the probability. But this is not finished because I erase this one. Because it disturbed the. Okay. Then you see that we want to find the percentage, not probability. So we convert 16.739 becomes 16.74%. Okay, that's how we do the working with normally distributed. Okay, now try and do this and check whether you get 0.0708. Check. Sometimes my answer is wrong. That's why most of the time I don't want to share the slide, but try it and check. If you get different, you might be correct, you might be wrong. Okay, so if you have problem, please let me know, then we can discuss the answer. Okay, so that's all.